Good morning. I am Sandra Habana and welcome to Capstone 2, Week 3, Lesson 1. Okay class, so we have sentences here on the board. Okay, I'd like you to read. An, okay. A girl, alright, should play with dolls, okay. I met a family who has 5 children. Okay. My sister is a doctor. Excellent. Okay. Let's now move to the. Article the or definite article. Okay. Please read, class. The family lives not far from my block. Let's go to the cinema today. The best chefs are men. Very good. How about sentences without articles? So we call them zero, with zero article. Okay. When do you have breakfast? I play basketball. They study biology. Okay, very good. So, yes. I'm going to give you an activity. Okay. So, group yourselves. How many are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so maybe you can group yourselves into 4. Okay, I need 4 groups. Okay, yes, go ahead. Okay, yes. Yeah, come on, yeah. The 4 of you. Alright. So, yes, okay. So, I'll give you an activity. Okay, here. Okay, here. So, you have to complete with a, an, the, or if zero, you have to put slash. Oh no, rather dash. Okay, hyphen. Okay. So it means no article. So just put a hyphen or a dash. Okay. Yes. So there are only 5 numbers here. Okay. You work together. So sometimes in one number you need to answer like 3 blanks. Okay. Yeah. Very good. So in this activity, I'm going to give you, alright, 3 minutes. Yeah. You know that so you have to put that before the words that start with vowels. Okay, yes. Yes, yeah, you're doing great. Continue. Okay, time's up. Alright, so what do you think of your answers? Okay, I'd like you to exchange. So group 1 and 2, okay, exchange papers. Okay, group 3 and 4, exchange papers. Okay. Yes. Try to check if their answers are correct. Okay. Perfect? Oh, very good. Excellent. Okay. So, okay, go back to your seats again. So, I'd like you to look at the board again. Okay, so for aan, so we use aan, of course, before the noun that starts with A, E, I, O, U, or vowels, okay? Or sometimes, yes, it depends on the pronunciation. like ah. So even though it is a consonant, but it sounds like ah or eh. So you have to use aan. And with the sounds like you, even though it starts with A-E-I-O-U, letter U, there is an exception that we need to use ah. Okay. So an for the vowels, okay, and a for consonants. And even though it starts with a vowel, but the pronunciation sounds like consonant, like you, Y-U, you. So it's an a. Okay. So a girl, not specific. So yes, and you have to use a. I met a family. If you just introduce that family for the first time and the listener doesn't know anything about what you're saying, so still not specific. My sister is a doctor when you're talking about jobs. Okay, very good. Now, the family. Why not a family? So we are now very specific of what family we are talking about here. We know, the listener knows that family. Okay, let's go to the cinema. The cinema. It's a familiar place in the city that you go to. Okay, the best chefs. When we are using superlative, we have to use the. And with zero, when do you have breakfast? Without anything, without any articles. When we are talking about the names of the meals, breakfast, lunch, dinner. I play basketball. With the name of sports, no article. They study biology with the name of academic subjects. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.